Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to jazz up your spreadsheets with a bit of movement, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a moving GIF into your Google Sheets. Yes, an actual animated GIF that plays right in your sheet. By the end of this video, you'll know a quick and easy way to add a bit of fun and creativity to your documents. Whether it's to make data pop, liven up a presentation, or simply put a smile on your coworkers' faces. Let's get started without wasting any time. The first thing you'll want to do is find a GIF you want to use. I recommend looking for something that's not too large both in file size and physical dimensions because really big GIFs can make your sheet look cluttered or even slow it down. You can search for a suitable GIF using sites like Juffa or Tenor, or just use a GIF you've already saved on your computer. If you're feeling creative, you can even make your own simple GIFs with various online tools. But for now, let's assume you've picked out the perfect animation. Now, if you already have a GIF ready, you're good to go for the next step. If not, you might want to pause the video and find or download the one you want, then come back here. Alright, so once your GIF is ready, let's head over to Google Sheets. In your sheet, click on Insert in the top menu bar. You'll see it right between View and Format. Give that a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Hover your mouse over Image and it will open a side menu with a couple of different options. Now, here's the important bit. You want to pick Insert Image over Cells. This is key. If you just insert the image in a cell, Google Sheets treats it a little differently. It might not display the animation correctly or could crop it in a way you don't expect. By choosing Over Cells, your GIF will actually float above the grid, fully visible, and most importantly, it will play the animation as intended. Click on Insert Image over Cells, and you'll be prompted to either upload an image from your computer, paste a URL, or even select something from your Google Drive. Let's keep it simple. If your GIF is saved on your computer, click Upload and navigate to where your file is stored. Select your GIF and click Open. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if it's not instant. And that's really it. Once your GIF appears, you'll see it floating above the cells right in your sheet. You can drag it to reposition it wherever you like, maybe to highlight a particular stat or just to grab attention at the top of your document. If the GIF is too large or too small, you can click and drag the corners to resize it, just like you would with any other image in Google Sheets. The best part, the animation should play automatically, bringing dynamic flair to your spreadsheet. So that's the simple way to add a moving GIF in Google Sheets. It's a neat little trick, and you'd be surprised at how much it can brighten up a boring set of numbers or make your sheet a little more memorable in a meeting. If this was helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, maybe about using GIFs in other Google apps or troubleshooting animation issues, just drop a comment below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-tos and creative tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.